So there's been an update to Xcode with the iOS 7.1 framework, and some of you are getting an error trying to build the fresh source code. Okay, so without modifying the source code, some of you are having an issue right now. And the issue you're having is probably this one, redefinition of CC content scale factor. You see that red warning? That's the one you have. Now there's a very easy fix. Just go to your groups and files right there, click on the project right there, okay? And this is going to open the project settings. I want you to go to the build setting tab right there, and here under architectures I want you to select right there in the second column standard architectures ARM v7 and ARM v7s. Okay, so this will fix it. Now if you don't see them here in the menu, click on other and add them yourself with a plus. Okay, you would tap ARM v7 and another plus ARM v7s. Now I'm going to remove them because I do have them already. Okay, you do that, and now I'm going to just build again, product build. Okay, and you will see the error is going to go away now. All right, build succeeded. Okay, so for those of you that are having this issue, try this out. That will fix it. If not, just come to the forum and send me a message. I'll take care of you.